up, YouTube? The bull traps and stock market crashes continue, but guess what? We got to talk about it today. Class will be in session, so watch this video all the way to the end. If you make money today to start the week, please let me know down in the comments below. As always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure to like, subscribe. Make sure this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Guys, Coach got 3 people that joined the sniper game today because they went absolutely berserk while they were in sniper mode on today. Coach want to give a huge shout out to Paisley, Stanley, as well as Jamil. Okay, let's go ahead and unpack Paisley first. She said, "Hi Coach, profit 440 on my first day." Paisley, if you see this, Coach, I already text you. I already emailed you back, so you already know. You already know what type of time I'm on. But listen to this. Navigating a stock market crash. Do not judge yourself or anything you're doing off of the worst, one of the worst periods in the market. To do what you guys are doing and navigating a stock market crash is not easy. Okay, so this is even more significant because I just can only imagine what you're going to do when the market settles and gets done with all this volatility. She said, "Hi Coach, I hope you're doing great today. This was my first day trading options, so I wasn't expecting much, just practice. Made one purchase Friday but sold today. I stayed within the buy and sell numbers and took profit even on small ones." She already making my day because the market was downtrending a lot today. It sure was, and I love that you observed that. I came out with $440 of profit, just rinse and repeating and taking the small wins. Base hits get you in the Hall of Fame. You guys better take these base hits and don't overstay your welcome in this kind of market. That's what today's lesson going to be about, okay? She said, "I appreciate the knowledge and the way you have explained things. I'm not a very technical person, so it's very easy to grasp the way you are teaching. I would send this on IG, but my phone is old." Don't even worry about that because you send it to the right spot page. Listen to this, man. Coach is extremely proud. Her whole approach is definitely perfect for this type of environment we're trading in right now. Paisley, Coach want to say major salute. Guys, Stanley is on deck. Now, Stanley went absolute berserk on the market today, and I love it. He said this: "I'm becoming a sniper." Man, we gonna have to give him a new name. He said, "I listen and I follow everything you say and do now. I just need to buy more contracts. This play was a 10K to 100K play. Like you say, it don't take long. Setting a stop loss and riding the wave. This is not bad. I couldn't make this working at 9 to 5 in one day. And you are really blessing my life. Thanks, Coach. This is excellence teaching and a student in the class taking action." He went over 1,000% today. He went absolutely berserk on the market. I loved everything about it. He 100% right. Coach definitely made over 10K today, but he's right, guys. It don't take all day. If you catch these moves, if you are patient, if you're following the levels we are giving out, and you doing what you can to just hit the target, pivot when you need to, go with the flow of what the market is doing. Stanley, he absolutely went crazy today, and he's an example of what's possible. I now know without a shadow of a doubt, if I stop recording today, he's going to know what he did. It was all him. He going to know, man, it's possible. Coach is right. I hit 1,000% today. I know I could have made 100K in everything he's saying is facts, guys. It be days, trust me. If y'all was on my private line, I'd be calling my boys like, "Man, Coach could have hit 100K today." Sometimes I try to keep it humble, showing you guys 10K here, but some of those plays, like Stanley said, they be 100K in a day. If you catch the right run up, you catch the right move, 10K in a day. Everything he laid out was all facts, but guess what? He hit it. He hit his play out the park, man. Shout out Stanley. If you see this, just know I'm proud of you, bro. And then look at this. Jamil was also in sniper mode. Y'all was blowing me up today, man. I had way more than this, but I said I gotta bring out at least 3 people today because you guys were on fire. And this is gonna go perfect with the lesson. He said, "Hey Coach, wanted to give you your flowers early and let you know that I appreciate everything you're doing for the people. I learned a lot from just watching your videos today. I got in sniper mode and made $585 in under 1 minute. I waited for a good entry, set up and sniped, seen profit and take profit and got up out of there. This is what being a sniper looks like. This is what being in sniper mode looks like. Jamil, flawless execution. Everything they saying is facts. Look at this. He bought this at 10, sold this at 10, and made 500. Listen, I'm telling you, if you guys learn this, when I talk about getting up off the coke plantation, or when you give them the power to feed you, you give them the power to starve you, nobody can put a ceiling on this. This is something we can do every day. And guess what? In both directions. Everybody I highlighted today got busy in both directions. So you know Coach was loving that even more, okay? Now check this out, guys. These are some patterns that emerged on today that you need to know come with the territory, all right? And so again, guys, I've been talking to you about bull traps, okay? When the market falls to a certain level under the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, all pops get dropped. Write that down. All pops get dropped. And so that's called a bull trap. And matter of fact, speaking of bull trap, let's go ahead and unpack this. Check out this chart Coach has for you guys here. Okay, I got it circled for you where the bull trap happened. It comes after stocks are going up. Okay, they're going up or they break resistance. Okay, look at the bull trap on the left. Take your eyes to the middle to see that where resistance was at. Okay, we broke it. That's called a fake out breakout, meaning we were thinking we were going to run after we broke resistance until that big red candle come. That's the boom boom candle to the downside. And then boom, while everybody was jumping in thinking the stock was going to go up because we broke resistance, they yanked it back down. And then it came all the way down to support and then hit resistance and then fell back down to support. But then we ran up again, broke resistance, and now everybody look at the second bull trap to the far right this time, and boom, we broke resistance. We had a big green candle. This ain't three green soldiers. If you don't see three green soldiers, it ain't going, okay? And then boom, they yanked it back down, all the way back down to support and even lower, okay? Guys, let me know if this is what you see happening to you if you're not one of the ones in sniper mode making money to the downside right now. If you are buying calls, which is not wrong because I bought calls and made a killing, but you got to be in and out. You got to be in and out in this market, okay? But let me know if you are a person that every time you buy, the stock price go down. If that's the case, you are coming up against what is called a bull trap. And it only happens when we're at this location of the market. So if you on a money team, you better be making money in both directions. If you are in the Discord, you better be looking at my levels that I lay out for you guys. And I tell you where resistance is at. If we don't get above this level, this stock is going to crash down. If you follow that daily info of what I'm telling you guys, Coach is trying to, without all the fancy words, help you avoid the bull trap. I'm showing you how to beat the bull trap. I'm showing you how to dominate the bull trap. I'm showing you how to be like Paisley, Stanley, and Jamil, how they crushed the bull trap. Donald Trump came out today and crashed the stock market with the tariffs that he placed on the countries he placed tariffs on today. And guess what it was? A bull trap. Because guess what the market was doing before he came out and spoke? It was going up, just like the illustration I gave you. And guess what happened when he made his announcement? Okay, they used stuff. I'm not even blaming him. I'm just talking about they're using anything to set the trap. Let me know if I don't lay this stuff out for you guys every single morning in Discord. Watch out for the bull trap. Don't overstay your welcome. Be ready to pivot. Okay, this is all code for they about to hit you guys with the ooh-wop. Those of you that's picking up what Coach is putting down, you are going to navigate extremely successful through this choppy time period. Okay, it won't last forever, but we in it right now, and this is the market you have to trade. You got two options: you can sit out, or you can learn to buy puts and make money on the downside when stocks go up. You don't buy puts when it's already down. You wait for them to gap up like they did. You wait for them to go up all day like they did. And then once you see like, man, we ain't going higher than this price right here, boom, you got to let it click in your head. Okay, this must be what coach has been trying to teach us about the bull trap. That's what is crashing the market right now. This is the bull trap. Okay, the bull trap sometimes set up the bear trap. Okay, so this is the trick, trap, and frustrate crew at its best. Okay, right now, catching new traders, undisciplined traders, people that don't listen, people that don't use their stop loss, people that just jumping in plays blindly. This is where they get tripped up at, and then they want to bail on the market or think something's not going right. No. I tell you guys all the time, don't let that defeat you. Okay, this is high level chess. Right now, you are in a bull trap season. Okay, so any stock that go up is coming back down. You just got to remember that. You know what I'm saying? You got to remember your own experience. Like, man, every time I keep buying a car, it keep going down because I'm not taking profit, because I'm overstaying my welcome, because I'm holding too long, because I'm being greedy, and then I'm getting bull trapped because guess what? You guys notice when it go down, it ain't coming back to a level that's letting you get out at break even. It's not coming back up high enough for you to get out and not lose. You are being bull trapped. You got to be careful with that. Okay, so listen, man, guys, listen. I care about you getting 1% better each day. This comes along with it. Every day not going to be an up day. Every day not going to be peaches and cream. You got to know these are the lumps. When I tell you guys, I had 2.5 years of losing. It was a bunch of these days in the market, but during my time of 2.5 years, you get what I'm saying? That was smacking me, throwing me around like a rag doll, mollywopping me across the floor every single day. But I had to stick with it. I had to figure out what I was doing wrong. I had to learn market conditions. I got to trade a certain way in a certain market. When we're trending up and the stock just going up all day, you could just buy a car. When you got this kind of market, you got to be flexible and nimble. When you got other markets, you got to be a sniper. When you got other markets, you got to know when to buy leaps. You got to know when to buy puts. You got to know when to make money when stocks go down. All of this come with the game, or guess what? It's going to beat you up. It's going to beat you down. And you're going to want to give up. You're going to want to blame. You're going to want to point the finger. You're going to want to run to the victim Olympics. You're going to want to do all those things because this is the season you got to go through to get over to the other side. So that's why it's good that it's happening in early in the year, so that come June, July, and down in the middle of the month, you at least got this experience under your belt. And whether they come with it again or whether we get past it and the market just start going up in a smooth manner, you now know two ways to trade and dominate in the market. Okay, listen, coach gonna get up out of here. I just wanted to teach you this lesson on the bull trap because that's what you're gonna keep seeing. Okay, they're gonna run the stocks up again tomorrow. I'm just telling you in advance. So when you see it and you see it don't break resistance, okay, follow the levels coach gives you in Discord. I give you resistance level 1, resistance level 2. If you see any one of them not break, you gotta boom, boom, boom. All right, you see what time it is, coach. I see what they doing. And crack them over the head for me. All right, listen, man, I'm proud of you guys today navigating the stock market crash. It's not easy, but keep thugging it out, okay? We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, but if you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.